Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check old stories on Instagram. Open your Instagram. If you want to check someone other's story, tap on their account and you can see there are all the highlights. Highlights are the old stories. Like if I click this account person posts this story on 5 June 2022. Likewise, if I want to check my own old stories, click on your profile, tap on three lines at the top. Now you can see there is an option archive. Click on that. You can see my all the Instagram stories comes which I posted since I created my account. Okay, if you want, if I click on three dots and tap on settings, you can see this option is on, which means the all the stories which I posted automatically save to archive. If I off this option, my stories don't save to archive. Okay, thank you for watching my video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.